So today I'm going to show you how to fully upgrade your Kali Linux and how to configure bash aliases, which pretty much is how to create custom functions to execute once you type a customized command that you just created. So first thing we have to do, open a terminal. We need to type this directory, so I'll paste it in the description, but we're going to add something to the repository of Kali Linux. So we do nano, Ctrl-Shift-V, we paste, and we get this list. Yeah, this is what you should have on your sources.list. Those two entries. You'll make sure that you're getting the repository files from the right source. When you're finished with this, you just Ctrl-X, go back to the main screen. What we need to do after this is apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. Oh, let's type this. It's going to work and it's going to fully update your Kali Linux. It might take a while, it'll probably take a while, a few hours, depending on your connection, or less. I've just done this a few minutes ago, so mine shows 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, and 0 to remove. So mine is fully updated. Next thing we have to do, instead of typing all of this, it's easier to do it with just a command that you can create. I created this command called new-v. It does those two commands plus 2 more. So if I click enter, you see that it does the same thing that it's doing up here. And the way that I did this is that we need to access something called bash aliases, which is a file. If we just write nano, this is the directory that everyone should have it on. If you click enter, once you get this, you're going to get an empty file. I type this function. Yeah, I have this function. I called it new-v, like in as in new version. So it does apt-get update, updates the list of directories, update this, auto remove, and auto clean. Yeah, this is what my function is doing every time I type new-v. If I hit exit now, it usually asks you to save if you change anything, but that's how you have your function working. Last thing, if we want to install, if you're running a virtual box, if you want to have it in full screen mode, as I have it here, and also being able to copy things over, you see how I can copy from my notepad back to here. So the only thing you can do this is by installing the guest additions package from VirtualBox. So this is the command you need. If you just copy this and you paste this on your Kali, I won't install it now because I already have it, but this is the command. If you run this, it might ask you for some extra packages that you might not have. In that case, just read the name of the packages and install them one by one. But yeah guys, that should be it for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.